Good morning, you guys. It is so early that look, it is still dark outside, but we're ready to get this trip underway. So come on, let's get this party started. We are on the way, you guys. Yes, the big trip, the big fine arts trip. Bub, are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
He's got his t-shirt, graphic design, and digital photography. You guys have seen it before, and we're all excited. We're gonna see what he does. So come on, let's get to Houston. That moment when you're 3 hours into a 13-hour drive and realize all your gift cards, about $400 worth, are sitting at home. That moment when the interstate comes to a stop. It's all the way up there, even around that curve. Looks like we're gonna be sitting here a while. Well, that wasted about 45 minutes, but we are back on the way. Into Mobile, Alabama. You guys see right there, we're fixing to go through some kind of tunnel. All right. Like the tunnels in New York City. Glad to be out of that truck. Yeah. It's time for a much needed lunch break. If you guys are following DeeVine DeeZine over on Instagram, then you may have already responded, but look, you guys see this little T-Rex? Yes, this is made just for me. Who remembers why? Comment down below and let me know. M-I, crooked letter I, crooked letter I, humpback I. Been in Mississippi all of about 10 minutes and we're already in another traffic jam. Take a look at the eastbound lanes. See it right over there? Not a thing a-coming. There must be a bad crash up there blocking that side of the traffic, which has now stunted our movement as well. An eventful day here on the I-10. Not sure what happened there. Looks like either something went over the bridge, a car or something. Police boats down in the water. Everybody looking over the side of that bridge, and still, let me show you, for miles, no eastbound traffic. So they have this section of the road closed off and no telling how long it's gonna be closed. We will have to try to find the Mississippi News and see if we can figure out what happened. Woo, you guys see that eastbound traffic backed up forever now. Come to find out, a car did flip off of the bridge, and unfortunately, a lady lost her life. So not sure how much longer. That was like 6 hours ago, so we're finding out. Stopping in Diamond Head, Mississippi, stretching these little legs, and look where we are. Yeah, let's do this. Well, now that turned really ugly.
Do this. ATL.
1, 2, 3.
My eyes aren't burning. Ow.
Wow, you lost.
My eyes burn so much.
Okay.
Take your glasses off. That don't count.
How does that not count?
Do you have anything to resist from wind?
The wind's not blowing this way, it's blowing this way.
I know, it's getting in my eye.
Yeah, but it would still get in my eye.
If you're a real woman, you'll take them off and not be scared.
1, 2, 3.
My eyes burn. I can't close my eyes up for very long. I can't do it. 1, 2, 3. I can't do
What are you
it.
even laughing at?
Nothing.
Made it to Beaumont, you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and stop and eat because it's about another hour and a half to Houston. We're a little bit hungry. Whew, well, that was a delicious and refreshing. Now it made me sleepy. We still have about 90 miles to go, so let's do this. Today's code word is sapphire. This is what 18 hours in a vehicle will do to you. Swollen legs and feet. Oh my, they are so tight and they hurt. But it does that to me anytime I'm in the car for an extended period of time. Now, let's get into Walmart. You know, you got to get those last minute things for the hotel and then we can finally go check in. Fortunately, our hotel is right next door to Walmart. Yep, 'tis that time, kiddos. Well, here we are. This is going to be home for the next week. Got a little sofa area, 2 double beds. I believe that sofa's supposed to pull out into the 3rd bed. Check it out, you guys. Very nice. Little microwave and refrigerator. Yes. Very clean, and check it out. Well, you guys probably can't tell, but that is a turquoise-ish teal blue. Who knew? My favorite color right here in the hotel. Let's see what we're overlooking out the window. Well, just some businesses, but not too bad. Not too bad. This is gonna be a decent place to stay. Yes, and for those of you who watched the vlogs when we went over for Bub's graduation, much, much, much better than what happened to us in Pensacola. Now let's get this luggage in. What you guys think?
Good. Great.
What you think, Mr. Rose?
Nice.
Better than Pensacola, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Well, the first time around. I love these hallways, you guys. Look how the doors are kind of inset on a little octagonal shape on both sides of the hallway. Cute and different. Warm and inviting. Well, you found your home away from home, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, to be young again. All those hours in the car. It is after midnight, our normal time. Only 11 something here. 11:23 here. But after midnight, our time. And this mama is tired. So I'm going to go ahead and bid you all a good night. Get up to the room and get all settled. And see what's in store for tomorrow. I want to thank all of you so very much for watching today, and I want to remind you it is a DeeVine life, so get out there and live it with purpose. We'll see you tomorrow.